Hey guys, what's up? It's Green Lungs here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to mine ZCoin with your Nvidia GPU. Okay, first thing to do is go to zcoin.io. All these links are going to be in the description. This will be your coin wallet. You'll hit download, and then you're going to click the OS that you have. I have Windows. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. Then what you're going to need to do is take that and extract that into a folder on your desktop or wherever you want to put it. Open it up and let it synchronize as we do the rest of the tutorial. It'll take a little while for it to sync. As you see, mine's not too far behind. Okay, second thing you want to do is go to ccmonitor.org. Go to this version right here, click releases. You're going to want to download version 2.2.3. If you have 64-bit, click 64. If you have 86, which is 32-bit, click that one. Pretty much the same concept here for both of them. You download it, I already got it. Okay, once you have those, you'll put that, well, extract that into a separate folder. You'll have a few of these here, but not that many. What you can do is you can just right click one and hit edit, or you can just make a new text document and then type in run. You don't have to type it exactly run, you can do start, whatever, and then ZCoin. And then at the end you would do, instead of .text, you do .bat or .cmd. Either one works, it's really don't make any difference. But I ain't gonna redo that. I'll just go to the one I already have right here. We'll hit edit. And then what you'll do, this all right here will be in the description. And all you'll have to change is this right here. Okay, so what you're gonna do here is you're gonna go to xzc.suprnova.cc and you're gonna sign up there. This is the pool. Okay, we're gonna go to dashboard, or not dashboard, my bad. My workers, sorry. And then you'll enter a username, well, it's a worker name, and your worker password. And once you hit add new worker, it'll show up over here. Well, you would take that right there and you'd replace it with this here. After you do that, you can save this and close it out. Another thing you're going to have to do is go to edit account, and then you'll have to sign up for this here. Well, not sign up, but you'll have to enter your wallet address. And where you get your wallet address is you would go to your wallet, go to transactions, or not transactions, receive, sorry about that. And for the label, you can just put in Supernova Miner, or I'll just put YouTube as a test. You don't have to put an amount, none of that. And then just hit request payment. And then you'll get your wallet address here. You copy that, and if you want to get it back, you can either you can double click it, or I think you can just hit show. Yeah, it'll do that too. Well, you take it and then you paste it in there. I already have my wallet in there for the Supernova Miner. And then after you do that, hit update account with your 4-digit PIN. You also have to do it there when you're cashing out. Once that's saved, you can go to dashboard and then open up your CC miner and then just run the batch file you have there. And then it'll show you your difficulty to the stratum and how much hash power you're getting from both of your graphics card or one of your graphics cards, whatever you have. It'll take a little while for you to get a share. But once you get shares, it'll show up over here what your hash rate is. At first it'll show it's real low, but it'll go up. And if you want to see exactly how much coins you have, or not see how many you have, it'll be right there. I mean, if you want to see how much your coins are worth, you can just go to coingecko.com and then go over here to search and then type in XZC and then click on ZCoin, which will bring you here. And then you just paste it into there and it'll show you how much you have in US dollars. I think that pretty much wraps it up there. If the tutorial helped you, please hit that like button, give me a subscribe, and comment in the description if you need any help or want me to mine other coins in the future.